Hello, my name is Fiona, and I am a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Pre-Kindergarten Education Exam? This is Praxis test code 5531. Praxis 5531 includes multiple content areas. This problem set covers the category of professionalism, family, and community, and includes topics such as ethical standards, communication with families, collaboration with colleagues, advocacy for children and families, and engagement with community resources to support children's holistic development. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Question number 1. This creates punishments that are predetermined and specific when rules are broken. Warning, detention, zero tolerance policy, or Gun-Free Schools Act. Detention is a form of punishment, but does not specify predetermined consequences for each broken rule, making it an incorrect option. The Gun-Free Schools Act focuses on banning firearms and does not provide a broad set of predetermined consequences for other rule violations. So that is also incorrect. Warning systems can vary and do not necessarily ensure specific, predetermined punishments for infractions. So that is also incorrect. The correct answer is zero tolerance policies, which establish strict, predetermined consequences for specific offenses, ensuring consistent and uniform enforcement of rules. Therefore, zero tolerance policy is the correct answer. Question number 2. Eugene is a third grade student at Meavers Street Academy. Eugene is an academically gifted student, but has yet to learn how to control his feelings. Eugene often gets upset, becomes destructive, and cannot communicate his thoughts or feelings. Many students are afraid of Eugene due to his outbursts and his intense feelings. Which of the following areas of development does Eugene need help developing? Physical development, emotional development, cognitive development, or social development? Eugene's challenges are not related to physical development, as he does not have issues with motor skills or physical growth. His cognitive abilities are strong, evidenced by his academic giftedness, ruling out cognitive development as a concern. Social development, while affected, is not the primary issue. So we can also rule that out. The core issue is emotional development. Eugene struggles with controlling his feelings and communicating his thoughts and emotions, then becoming destructive. Focusing on emotional development will help him manage his emotions and improve his interactions with others. Thus, emotional development is the correct answer. Question number 3. Which of the following is a reason communication amongst stakeholders is important? Stakeholders have the chance to maintain a dialogue. Stakeholders have the chance to share new ideas. Stakeholders have the chance to share their unique perspectives. Or all of the answers are correct. Effective communication amongst stakeholders is not just about sharing new ideas, as this alone does not cover the full scope of interactions. Maintaining a dialogue is crucial, but focusing solely on this aspect overlooks the importance of diverse contributions. Sharing unique perspectives is vital, but considering it in isolation misses other benefits. The correct answer, therefore, is that they are all correct. Communication amongst stakeholders allows them to maintain a dialogue, share new ideas, and bring their unique perspectives. This holistic approach fosters collaboration, innovation, and inclusivity, ensuring a more effective and dynamic stakeholder engagement. Therefore, all of the answers are correct is the correct answer. Question number 4. Which of the following is not an exception to the requirement that you obtain written permission before disclosing personally identifiable information under FERPA? When responding to a request from the U.S. Department of Education, when requested by your district for doing a study on how students respond to standardized testing, when you receive an inquiry from the press, or when requested from a transferring student's new school. When responding to a request from the U.S. Department of Education, obtaining written permission is not required as it falls under FERPA exceptions. So we can cross that out. Similarly, requests by your district for conducting studies on student responses to standardized testing are permissible under certain conditions without written consent. So let's cross that out as well. Disclosures to a transferring student's new school are allowed to facilitate the transfer process. So we can also eliminate that. The correct answer is when you receive an inquiry from the press. FERPA strictly protects personally identifiable information, and disclosure to the press requires written consent to ensure privacy and compliance with the law. Therefore, when you receive an inquiry from the press is the correct answer here. I trust I was able to clarify the types of questions you will find about the category of professionalism, family, and community for the Praxis 5531 exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel well equipped and well prepared for exam day. Bye for now.